Welcome to the second edition of Navodaya Master Channel. Actually, the parents and students of my native place called me as Master, and I worked very long in Navodaya. That is why combining both, this channel is given Navodaya Master. Today, I am going to talk about class 12 English, how to score well, how to prepare well. Class 12 has 3 sections: reading section, writing section, and literature. Today my focus is on reading section. What is the beauty of reading section is we can get full marks, complete marks, without only thing is confidence, guessing. Generally many of the students, they think, oh, reading passage unseen, untaught, unknown, how to write. Some students neglect, they omit this question. But what is the beauty is, once we get full marks in it, the other areas will be ticked and marked. A simple technique I say. Many of the people of Andhra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, or Maharashtra, they are not knowing Bengali language or Oriya language, but they can understand Oriya film, Bengali film, because they are not seeing separately, they are seeing in total. They will tell the story. So this is a theme, this is a story of the film. That only required, that approach is only required for reading section. You have to see in total, don't worry about individual words. You have to guess it. Always guessing will be correct. We will get a feeling. If it is correct, we will get, our mind will say okay. If it is wrong, mind will say something wrong. So confidence. So what is the beauty of it? CBSE never cuts marks for incomplete sentences, spelling mistakes, and once I read while evaluating, CBSE is given instruction, even if the child copies the complete passage for question number 1, give you mark. For question number 2, if he copies the complete passage, give you mark. It means, what is my suggestion to the students of class 12? If you are not knowing exactly the answer, but you know it is in that paragraph, it is in that area, you can copy some extra lines, simply you have to copy. So 2-3 lines extra, it doesn't matter, and you will be given full marks. So how many times you have to read the passage? Some students, they read 4 times, 5 times, and total wastage of time for other questions. My suggestion is one slow and thorough reading of the passage, then first question, then answer, second question, answer. So once you come to third or fourth question, passage will become smaller. So this only you have to do. One more habit of some students, they ask word attack, synonyms, antonyms. Most of the time synonyms are asked, Occasionally they ask antonyms also. They never write. See, nowadays easy, they are giving paragraph, name of the paragraph, number of the paragraph they are given. In that you find out, you leave the words like and, but, because. When you leave like that, only 3-4 new words will be there. In the 3-4 new words, what is similar to the answer, find out. Even if you are unable to find out, you can write 2-3 words also by putting oblique. The examiner will tick the correct answer and avoid you. CBSE always wants to help the students. So, my dear children, please keep in mind, first section should be reading section and it should be attempted and you should get full marks. So, I just repeat what you have to do. You should read the passage only once. Number 2, once you go to, after reading first question, because our target is attempting all the questions. You attempt the first question, second question, passage will become smaller and smaller. And word attack, synonyms or antonyms also should be attempted. Only thing confidence, guessing. So, with this, and how to prepare for it, because unseen, unknown, whenever you get time, you have to refer the dictionary. Anything in English will help you to write the reading passage. You may be reading physics, you may be reading biology. Once you read with understanding, definitely that will help you in your reading section. Purpose of reading section is understanding. Understanding level of the student is tested. Understanding area is tested. So, be cheerful, be confident, and please attempt at first reading section and try to get full mark. Once again, be confident. Thank you.